We've been living for years, since after the war, even before the war. Igbos and Yoruba, they have never fought themselves. In Ondo State today, I tell you, the people that cultivate the land of Ondo State are the Igbos. Go and investigate. We expected this apology since. Anyway, Yoruba cultural group Afenifere has come out to denounce that statement. They distance themselves from that Twitter or TikToker or blogger who threatened the Igbos. And again, without these ages, this group that has just come, and apologize to Igbos, yes, it's a welcome idea. They are peace-loving platform. And likewise, the Igbos are peace-loving people. Notwithstanding, we live everywhere all over the world. And we did not beg anybody in Africa country like Kenya, Zambia, Gambia, Angola. We dominate everywhere. Those countries, we did not beg them to stay. The fact that we stay there and we are doing well is because of our handworks, the kind of person whom we are. The Igbos are Republican. They can come mix up with you. They won't steal from you. They won't kill you. They will develop your area. They will bring investments. They are investors. They are businessmen. So even this group that is saying that Igbo has right to live everywhere, they are a good group. They are Yoruba. Yoruba has right to live everywhere. Yorubas are in a Omuahia community. That's where they dominated in the southeastern Nigeria. The Yorubas are in River State, Port Harcourt. They are largely there in Port Harcourt, doing their normal business. They have right to live everywhere too. So everybody, the only people that I find I fault in Nigeria are the Fulanis. The Fulanis, who are strangers from Sahel countries, are constituting nuisance, serious menace to Nigerians. They migrated from Mali, Chad, Burkina Faso, Niger, Senegal, Gambia. They migrated from these countries into Nigeria, and today they are thorns on our flesh. So those are the people that I find out are not law-abiding. They are not coexisting with all their hosts. Their host nations. Fulanis are not coexisting with them because they are not faithful people. They are not peaceful people. All they do is come to your community, stay with you, within a short period, overcome you, suppress you, marginalize you, instill emirates, become emir in your own community. Emir is just like king, only that is attached to their religion, Islam. They will rule you. I've never seen an Igbo man come to Lagos, suppress Igbo man with all Igbo man's investment. Yet there was never a time tussling for Obachi between Igbo and the Yoruba. Igbo and the Yoruba, nothing like that. Igbo is for Igbo, is for the business Igbo men. Igbo is not for Alausa or Ikeja or Apapa. When we are talking about Igbo, it's a platform holding the whole Igbos. If you have issue, if you need help, you can go to Igbo or Azulike at the axis of Abulegba. Igbo of Lagos or Azulike will help you. He's not saying I'm Igbo, I'm Yoruba, I'm Yoruba. No, Eze, king for my people, king of my people, king to benefit my people. That's what Igbos do. There's a session whereby we've been coexisting with our Yoruba brothers, living and intermarrying. Myself, talking to my senior brother, married from Ilache. Ilache is in Egbado South, I think, local government of Ogun State. Yes. He comes to my community. He live with my people. He gave birth to many children. For my brother, we live together today. Imagine where Anambra is, an Ogun State woman, and Anago in short. Anago, they are Yoruba, they speak Anago. She lived with us. Nobody threatened her. Why should you threaten? Even Yorubas that are serving their youth corps, NYSC in Igbo land. I would like this blogger go and meet these people, interview them whom the Igbo man are, where they serve in various communities in Igbo land. How did they treat them? What kind of hospitality did he benefit or receive in Igbo land? I think his eardrum, his tympanic membrane will burst, because such youth corpers will educate him on the reason why Igbos are the most traveled tribe in the world. Because they will treat you good. The person where we are living in his house, he will take you as his children. Listen, let me tell you, Igbos, they don't play with strangers. And I want to tell you that I've been traveling and traveling. I've never seen a landlord that has taken me at his son in Yoruba land, and I still respect them, I greet them, I pay my dues. It is when you want to marginalize me again. If you start playing side, if there are issues in the yard, that is when I'll come out and tell you, say no. No, madam, or no, mama, or no, papa. So I'm telling you that it is lack of education that makes a man to wake up and give Igbos quick notice. It is lack of travel that makes a man to wake up and say, Igbo must leave my place. Exposure. Lack of education. Exposure. That will make a man wake up early in the morning and say, Igbo must leave him. It is lack of what? Understanding and wisdom. Lack of hard work. Hatred. It is because of hatred. It is because of unnecessary jealousy that makes a man wake up and say, Igbo should leave him. It is because of what? Out of tribalism, ethnic bigotry, that will make a man wake up and say, Igbo, you are going to go, live here. See, let me tell you, we've been living for years, since after the war, even before the war, Igbos and Yoruba, they have never fought themselves. In Ondo State today, I tell you, the people that cultivate the land of Ondo State are the Igbos. Go and investigate. Igbos are many, there are too many. There are farmers in Ondo land. Igbos are farmers in Akure. If you want to know what I'm telling you, visit Oba Adechida compound in Akure. Adechida will tell you that Igbos are the best in Akure land, because they cultivate in their land, they grow cocoa farm, they grow catch crops, they grow everything cultivatable in Ondo land, and they have never killed anybody. They have never stirred up any misunderstanding between the two tribes. So anybody that wakes up, it is only in this Tinubu regime that Yoruba man wake up and say Igbo man will go. So let me tell you, Tinubu regime is the one that will bring that blogger to book. I meet Tinubu administrations, all concerned appropriate departments, agencies of the law. They should bring the blogger, they should bring the Twitter, the person that tweeted on his ex that Igbo should go. They should bring him to book. Because if the government, this government of the day, under Tinubu and Onogoruwa, Tinubu spokesperson that has been threatening Igbo over the years, if Ononuga, if Ononuga knows that he's not responsible for that Twitter, if he knows that he's not supporting that Twitter, if he knows he's not the one that sent that Twitter, that blogger, to cause commotion between Igbo and the Yoruba in Southwest, Ononuga should come and resign or tender his apology to the Igbos. No man is island, and we don't fear anybody, because if you go to Anambra, if you go to Imo, if you go to Abia, Yorubas are there. We have never ever threatened Yoruba. Okay, in my compound as of 1982, as a small boy, a Yoruba man for the first time came to our village. They were looking at him. They all attended him. The man came with camera. The man was into video coverage. There was an important funeral in my town in the year 1982. He came. We welcomed him. He came to my compound. My brother lived all his life in Lagos State. My senior brother. He brought him. We dined and ate together. So, lack of exposure, lack of education. Traveling is an education. I've been warning people. Don't tell me that you are a professor. Don't tell me that you went to UIO If you did not travel, you are a mugu. Mumu. Oga, don't tell me that I read English language. I can speak well. My name is Fani Femi Kayode. I can criticize anybody. Oga Femi Kayode. If you don't travel, you are a mugu. Mumu. I know it go get to you on your Twitter. Write them. Let me challenge you. Mugu. Because you don't travel. That's why you can come and talk nonsense. People that are devoid of travel, people that have not traveled far are mugu. Oga, the best education one could get in life is travel. Mix up with other people. Travel and see the different climb. Travel, cross Onitsha Bridge, come to Igbo land. Challenge me. Oga, you will go with corn. You will go with yam. You will go with plantain. I will give you. Travel to Abia State. Challenge the Abia man. Oga, you will go with Obas. You will eat off our You will eat. Abia no offer manu eneli. I channel where they offer manu. Who do make travel be an Igbo na funny? Make una travel go Igbo land and eat food. Every time the Igbo man will go. Now hungry man they say make him neighbor, make him brother go because of the food we go give him neighbor. Okay, anybody will say Igbo must go. Okay, that person they hunger. It is say as we do here we go join them they eat food when they eat. If you get enough food, you will like to allow strangers to be with you because we feed them. And when we are feeding strangers, we are happy. Come to my community. Anytime we like feeding strangers and we make feasts with strangers, we enjoy, we dine, and we marry together. It brings joy. That is what makes Abraham because he entertained strangers, not knowing that he was entertaining God. People from God. That's whom we are.
Let's forget about what Britain will say. Britain is nobody. They're nothing. Britain is a coward. Listen to me.
What did Britain? What did they do to you? You
Britain
feel
is
upset.
a African nation. Britain is problem of African nation. Britain is a country that God have already caused, like Egypt. Britain will never come remain normal. Britain will later come back for food in Africans. I am telling you the fact. I am not telling you to believe me. But if a life is something that somebody can program to leash, like, let me say, extra 50 years coming, that you will see Britain that coming strongly come to Africans to beg. I am telling you the truth. Are you hearing me? Because already Russia have corrected the food in their mouths. They use Nigeria to bring hope. And if Nigerian government that cut off the pipeline concerning gas, they are finished. That is the truth. And I don't blame part of the north that follow Niger go, because that is the program of Buhari. Yes, this is the program of Buhari. So Buhari have already programmed it before leaving the office. I'm accused Buhari. That man called your brain. It's not even Buhari. That man called your brain. I abuse him. Let that young man should be arrested.
But it's Buhari now.
It's not a Buhari, it's a Jobrain. Let that young man should be arrested and come and give account. What's happening in the north now? Is the one that program concerned issue of Q in Niger. In the same man that plan of the same 7 states that protesting concerned issue of foreign Niger go as a nation. Let that man should be invited in this country and they sit him and arrested him.
But he's not around presently. Buhari is not
Let
around.
him they find that Boko Haram bandit. Let they find where he is and arrested him. Is the problem of Tinubu?
Or Tinubu is the problem of Buhari.
Is problem of Tinubu that, let me tell you, Tinubu, find this man where he is. Stop hiding him. Arrested him is your problem. How can this man go and sign for oil refineries, oil facilities, sign it to US Britain for 10 good years, and he thinks that it will be easy for you?
But now Tinubu bring Buhari come now.
You don't know that the way that this man is one star that like this. Let her arrest him.
But for Nigeria, don't they arrest ex-president?
Let them arrest him.
Don't they arrest
This
ex-president for
man needs to be
Nigeria?
arrested and give account how much he borrowed, what he did take it to do. See, the last thing Tinubu, but if you want to remain like this and people begin to mock you, I'll leave this man. But if you don't want people to begin to mock you, arrest this Boko Haram, whatever anywhere it is. Was when Nnamdi Kanu was telling you people not listen.
Why is he in jail? Is she not in
Let the
jail?
guy carry him come. Let the guy carry this bandit come. He's a bandit. See, if they don't know what to do, this man need to be taken off front of this earth. He's a useless man. Let them carry him come this country. People are suffering because of body issue. How can you lock all the borders down? Every corner you lock it down. No provision for farmers. No provision for anything. You lock all the borders down. You want to kill everybody once. Are you telling me? If I saw opportunity to grab Buhari, I will myself. If I see opportunity to grab this man,
Last time I
see,
checked.
this man do what to even toast my wife and my daughter. Yes,
Why? Because
putting Nigeria to hunger. You know what it means? You know what it means? Millions of people in the world, in the country.
for nothing, they say Buhari, they say he did very well.
Why
Now.
you no go do them well? Why you no go do them well? Boko Haram people arrested and put to prison and repented Boko Haram. He put them into military, navy, custom, and trouble people problems. Put them into custom, arresting so many people Jews, and they no go do them well. Arrested the Jews, can't go to north and share them for themselves. The bag of rice is a contraband in Nigeria, but you can't go to your house with your family, they eat them. Are you kidding me? Let Tinubu arrest this bandit. Are you hearing me? So let people stop saying they're doing protests in Nigeria. Let the protests stop. They know the truth. Nigeria can go to Nigeria and do war. All the masses can go to Nigeria for the war to arrest Buhari. Nigeria people cannot still kill everybody once. This man must be arrested and come here. Let them bring all the money he was borrowed in the outside world. Tell us what he can do for this country. Before Nigeria can even think about goodness. Because I never see any good for Nigeria. They give role to who? Which people? Mention one. Mention who he give the role. Which businesswoman? He give a Shobajo or Shobajo 100 million naira to go and give a market women. 100 million. What do you think that they can feel by? Which traders money? Okay, they don't mention how much what this criminal borrowed. They're talking about 100 million naira to go and share market women. How many people is market women you know? Can you enter Agege market or enter Sunday market here? Calculate people where they get. They pass almost 10 million. How much you want to give? I mean, I want to go give them. See, let us stop deceiving ourselves. I am angry when I'm condemning this man, Tinubu. I am very angry. This man cannot perform miracles. It's not a Jesus. Are you hearing me? So let Jagaban go back. Invite this man. All the ministers, they carry that wrong. Arrest them. All the ministers, advisors, carry them.